Welcome to Copying Your Canvas course. In this portion, we'll be discussing bulk editing availability and due dates. Once you have imported content into your new course, if you have not already updated your due dates by using the date editor in the import, it's recommended that you use the bulk date adjuster to set your dates up for the new semester. Using the Assignments button on your course navigation menu, we are given a list of all of our assignments in their group. At the top right corner, choose the three-dot kebab and edit assignment dates. This page lists all assignments in your course, including due dates and available from and until dates. One drastic difference from Blackboard to Canvas is that in Blackboard, if an assignment did not have a from or until date, you could not add one using the bulk editor. In Canvas, you can. By choosing any assignment in the list, I can click on the calendar icon to the right of the due date box and change the due date. I can also change the from and until date. Note that if I try to set a from date after the assignment is due, I will get a warning. For example, if I tried to set this as being available August the 5th, when it has a due date of August the 4th, I get a warning. I can also set my until date using the same method. Again, if I try to set an until date that's before the due date, I will get a warning. You also have the option to undo any changes by using the X at the right. You can choose any option, any combination of any dates that you choose. You can make all of your adjustments from the one screen. If you need to change multiple dates at the same time, check the boxes for the assignments you wish to move and choose Batch Edit. This will allow you to shift the due dates a certain number of days or to remove the dates entirely. Shifting the dates is handy if you're going from spring to fall or fall to spring and need to adjust an entire set of assignments forward a week, for example, to allow for spring break. Once you have made any changes you need to, make sure to choose Save at the top right corner of your screen in order to adjust those due dates. We are given a visual bar and a visual notification that our assignment dates have been saved successfully. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.